Hello.
Good
Good
morning.
morning.
How are you?
Yeah, I am
Humming
fine.
space.
Yeah, I'm fine, sir. Thank you for
Nice.
asking about you.
I'm doing well.
Um,
Going great. Can't complain.
yeah.
Everything fine. So, how's the Navaratri pujas going on? Are you doing any offerings, pujas,
Yes, yes,
Navaratri?
I do.
Hmm.
Yeah,
It's 9 days, right?
9 days. Yes.
Very nice. Ready for Surya Namaskara?
Yes, yes. I try my best to speak. Yeah,
That's the spirit. That's the spirit. Come on.
yeah,
Come on, Saraswati. That's the spirit.
yeah.
Yeah. I think yesterday our video, someone watched that video. One girl came to the session in the evening and she was telling, tomorrow I will watch it. I want to listen Saraswati explaining Surya Namaskara.
Oh,
You are very popular in the YouTube. You are now the pillar of Englishyaari. I'm telling you honestly. There
mm-hmm.
are many students coming just after watching your videos.
Mm-hmm.
Very nice. Doing so well. Proud of you.
Yeah, thank you.
Good. So let's begin.
Yes,
All ears. Surya
yes.
Namaskara. The mat is yours. The floor is yours.
So first, we will start to perform Surya Namaskar. Stand straight on the edge of the mat, feet together, and join your arms in front of your chest and take a deep breath. Raise your arms upward and arch slightly back. Stretch your body. Bend from your hips and try to touch your toes. Keep your knees straight. Take your right leg back. Place place it on the floor and bend your left knee and look forward. Keep your palms on the floor. Take your left leg back and make a position of like a table position, like straight line position. Then slightly slightly take your knees, chest and chin to the floor. Yeah,
Touch.
touch the floor. Yes, try to means touch the floor with toes, knees, chest
Just.
and chin, like a ashtang pranam. And exhale. Then uh, slightly move forward
Slide. Slide
and
forward and bend
slide forward
backwards.
and
Bend
means chest
backwards.
take
Bend
your chest
backward.
up
Look
and
up.
make a
Look.
cobra position.
Look up and cobra
Look up,
position.
cobra
And
position. And then
come back.
exhale
Mhm.
and
Bend
take,
inwards.
uh,
Bend
uh,
inwards for the
take
mountain. Mhm.
mountain position, or you can
V
say
in
or
V
inverted V.
V
Make your body inverted V position
with the
and
hip
move
hip up. Mhm.
hip up,
Mhm.
and then take your left right leg forward between your hands
Hands. Mhm.
and take your left leg stretch straight and look forward. Exhale and take your left leg forward and bend from your hips. Try to touch the toes and keep your knees straight. And then raise your hands, arms up. Try
Come
to,
to original position
yes, and
with raised
bend,
hands.
yes, and again means inhale and again make the same previous position like prayer position and
With
repeat the
folded
process many times.
folded hands. How many times?
Yeah. It depends on you.
How many times you practiced?
I practiced 5 or 6 times.
Very good. That's the
Yeah.
spirit.
Yeah.
Proud of you. Proud of you. So one more things, if like
Even
you spoke.
at the time of working, like in when I was in kitchen, so I just
Listen,
speak. No, no,
and
I
really
just
speak.
speak out the step one by one, and if I just because somewhat I know very well how to do, but I'm not able to frame the proper sentence. So I just see again and repeat the same thing again and again. Yeah.
Now what you can make it little more advanced explanation. What you can do is every step there is an inhalation or
Yes, yes,
exhalation.
name. Every step have name. Yeah.
So inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Okay, whenever your body is bending, you have to exhale. When your
Hmm.
body is coming to the normal position, you have to inhale. That's one thing. And every posture you can say, like what is this bhujangasana,
Mhm.
cobra asana, whatever name. So 12
Mhm.
postures are there, and this is in English we call it as sun salutations.
Sun
Sun
salutation.
salutation. So you add the names of the
Yes.
asanas, 12 asanas, and then add inhalation and exhalation. And there are some particular words like, you slide forward and bend backward,
Yes.
look up towards the sky, chin up, focus, and then so the equestrian pose. There are
Mhm.
some postures called equestrian. So all these words would
Yes.
equestrian, that would help you. Even I wanted to send you one. I saw one video. I wanted to
Mhm.
share that video, but I thought you should take the call and learn from your own ways and methods. Nice.
Mhm. Yeah.
So just try to improvise on this.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a matter of time. Listen, so what you can do is like 2 days, don't try
Mhm.
to speak, listen, only
Mhm.
listen, only listen,
Okay.
only listen. Like take like try to get a Surya salutations from a native speaker.
Mhm.
If you're watching the video, don't go with the Indian speakers because they will
Okay.
use only the simple vocabs. So
Mhm.
go with sun salutation from a native English speaker, so you
Okay.
will get more vocabulary. See, our idea
Mhm.
is not to learn Surya. Of course, that is the
Yes.
side reason for that. Otherwise, our main reason is to work on our fluency.
Yes.
So any little chance to speak in English.
Um.
So Navaratri is a 9-day fight
Yes.
between Devi Durga Ma
Durga
and
and
the demon Mahishasura.
Mahishasur. Yes. Yes. I forgot the
Mahish-
name. Yeah. Mahishasur.
Mahishasura. So
Yeah.
Mahishasura is a demon,
Demon.
very
Yeah.
powerful,
Yes.
omnipotent, very powerful. Most of the other gods had given him immense power, and no one
Mhm.
can beat
Yeah.
Mahishasura. And Lord Shiva, Lord Brahma, and Lord Mahavishnu give a curse to Mahishasura. Only a woman can kill you.
Kill you.
Yeah. And they took the help of Ma Durga because men cannot kill him.
Yeah.
And she disguised in different forms, different
Yeah.
incarnations. One
Yeah.
day, like one Devi, one day Karthayani, one day Kalratri, one day
Yeah.
Sirdhari, like this 9 days, 9 forms,
Yeah.
different incarnations of Ma Durga. That 9 days is the 9 day
Yes.
fight. Even
Yeah.
Mahishasura is very strong,
Yeah.
indefatigable. He's not easily be defeated.
Yeah.
So Ma Durga was fighting every day, 9 days fighting. This is why we call Navaratri, 9 days of fighting we celebrate.
Yeah.
And Vijayadashmi, the 10th day, we celebrate the victory. We
Yeah.
celebrate the victory of Ma Durga over Mahishasura.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay? Every day we celebrate with different colors.
Yes.
So right from the day one is I think yellow, day
Yes.
two
So today is
is
green.
today's orange or red?
Green.
Green.
Green. Green.
Oh my
Green.
god, I should have worn, green. And tomorrow, what's the tomorrow color?
Tomorrow I have to check. I'll have to
Okay.
check.
So you know that color code.
Yes,
Even
because
Navaratri, you have a color code.
yes. In your
Very nice.
area, means Garba festival is going on. Garba and like these types of festival.
Yeah. In our apartment, every day they practice. The ladies,
Uh-huh.
they practice and they post photos, practice
Uh-huh.
photos. And every day they
Okay.
do. In the evening, they do.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
So I was going through these photographs. In the group they post photographs. Especially we have even my wife is fasting on
Mm-hmm.
all these 9 days. She
Okay.
takes limited food, vegetarian, no
Mm-hmm.
non-veg, daily
Mm-hmm.
pujas, and she's a very
Yes.
pious lady. Okay,
Yes. Yes.
so I was discussing the story with her and why these ladies are doing this dancing. So every day we are celebrating the fight against Mahishasura.
Yes.
Okay.